Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pay your credit card bills on Bank of America. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, first open up your Bank of America app on your phone, and now go ahead, type in your user ID on top and your password in the bottom and tap on login. Once you have done that, this is how your home section gonna look like. From this section, you're gonna simply tap on this option of bill pay, which is given in the bottom section. Go ahead, tap on it. And now if it's your first time, then you're simply gonna find this kind of interface, which simply asks you to simply start enrolling, and tap on this enroll option given. Then tap on the option as I highlighted that you agree with terms and condition, and again tap on this option of I agree given in the bottom right. Then now you simply have to enter your account info to get started, which will simply, if you have a nickname, that is an optional. If you do have, add it. If you don't, then leave it. Then add your routing number, your account number, and then simply confirm account and account type as well. Simply go ahead, tap on it, and now simply tap on this next option given in the bottom right. Then this kind of notification gonna pop up that you have verified your account and you can start making payments now. Now tap on this done in the bottom. Then finally, you're gonna go ahead, choose your pay from which bank and your amount. You're gonna tap on select amount and select the amount. You can also choose your frequency, how often you would like, and tap on deliver by as well, the date. And if you would like to add a note, you can do so, otherwise leave it, and tap on this option of pay given in the bottom right section. And there you go. Once you have scheduled and done adding the payment, you can see you have scheduled that payment, your Bank of America credit card, and you can see pay from this bank and your amount, delivered by, frequency, payment type, confirmation. All you're gonna find the details right over here. Tap on done and you're good to go on the specific schedule that you have added. Your payment will be done by then and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.